What's going on, guys? It's your boy Yanni, back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing a bald taper, so let's not waste no time and jump right into it. Alright guys, what we're going to do to start off this haircut is I'm coming in with the number 4 guard all the way closed, and I am knocking down all the hair to desired length. I'm going every which way in order to get this down, get it all even, make sure that there isn't any spots that are left over that shouldn't be knocked down to number 4 length. Because sometimes when you're messing with straight hair, if you just go up against the grain, you're not going to get all the hair, and you're going to see hair sticking up or possibly even dark spots because there's extra hair there. So just remember, straight hair, go all different types of ways until this hair is knocked down to desired length. Alright guys, next is we're going to come in with our trimmer, set in our ball guideline, followed by our clippers, no guard, all the way open. I am using my Gamma Ergos. Next guys, we're going to come in with the number 1 guard. That's all the way open as well. All the guidelines that I set in, I used the clipper all the way open. Alright guys, here I'm coming in with the number 3 all the way open, and I'm blending into that number 4 that's on top. With this number 3, I'm gonna fade down. So after I came behind it with the number 3 all the way closed, now we're gonna come in with the number 2 all the way open, then all the way closed. Pretty much fading down, if that makes any sense. Alright guys, now let's start blending this out. We're gonna come in with our clipper all the way closed. We're gonna open it up 1 notch, opening it up another notch as we move up to meet that guideline. Once that guideline is blended out, we're going to come in with our half guard that's all the way open. The reason I come in with the half guard all the way open is to give myself leniency to blend with. Sometimes the half guard all the way open will take out this line, but in this instance I'll work my way down in the fade down technique. So I'll start half guard all the way open, half guard halfway, and half guard all the way closed until this line is blended out. And don't forget guys to use your corners as much as possible, especially when working with the half guard. Here I'm coming in with the number 1 guard that's all the way open, and I am softening up that line between the number 1 guard open and the 2 guard closed. As you can see, I'm using my corners as much as possible because I don't want to dig into this taper and make an extra guideline. Alright guys, here I'm using the Wahl Premium 1.5 guard, and this guard will be the guard that finishes out this taper and pretty much brings it all together. Remember your steps, stay true to your steps, and your steps will never fail you. I use the same steps for every haircut, no matter the texture. The only thing that I change is how I use the corners, or how hard I press, or how much tension I'm putting into the head, how hard I'm pressing. Alright guys, now to kick off the side taper, we're going to follow the same steps. Set in that ball guideline, clipper all the way open, 1 guard all the way open, number 3 all the way open. Then we're going to fade down from that, so we're going to grab our number 2, open. Then we're going to do 2 closed, as you can see here, and it's just to soften up the hair That way you're not blending into a lot of darkness and a lot of bulk. Just like we did on the back, we're gonna come in with our clipper all the way closed, opening up a notch as we go up until we meet the guideline. Then we're gonna come in with our half guard all the way open, half guard halfway, then half guard all the way closed until that line is blended out. Now I'm coming in with the one guard all the way open, and I'm flicking that bulk, that little darkness between the 1.5 and the 2. Then to bring it all together, we're gonna come in with our 1.5 guard all the way open, halfway, and closed until this line is blended out. After you've done all your steps, you're gonna go back in detail work, come back and attack any dark spots, any imperfections that you may have left. The detail work process and the haircut is what sets you apart. Nobody likes a lazy barber, so pay attention to the detail work. Go above and beyond during the detail work. Trust me, your clients will greatly appreciate it and they will reimburse you for it. Alright guys, so this side of the taper, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how this taper comes together. Look at my steps, look at my techniques, look at my posture that I'm holding the clipper in, and just pay attention, see what you guys can learn. One thing I want you guys to know is that my client here has that very soft, silky hair. If you get a client like this with this hair type, this hair texture that's very soft, just take your time. Don't rush. Take your time, ease into it, because you don't want to dig into it and then have to push the taper or fade up, because this hair is unforgiving. It does not hold back. It will cut very easy, and you can make a very easy and bad mistake. So just be careful, take your time, pay attention, and you're gonna be all fine. Just identify the hair type and texture that you're working with as you plan to attack the haircut. Alright guys, as you see me doing there, is I start at the middle, work my way to the corners, then I do the vertical bars, everything on this side, work my way to the back, and everything on that side. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch, enjoy the shape up, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, helps me out a lot. Also like the video so the video can be reached by many more eyes and a lot more people can see the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you for the support. Alright guys, here what I'm doing is I'm fading the beard. If you watch one of my other videos, you pretty much follow the same steps, just downwards or backwards, however you want to say it, and that's how you fade in the beard. When doing the neckline and around the ear, try to keep it as natural as possible. That way when the hair does grow back, it doesn't look ugly and it doesn't look like you pushed their neckline all the way back. So try to keep the neckline as natural as possible. That way the regrowth can come in very good. Alright guys, I'm working my way from the middle to the other corner, then the vertical bar, and then we're going to do the rest of the face. Everyone asks me how do I like these clippers. The Stylecraft Evos by Gamma, they are my hitters, man. That ceramic blade on them, they hit so well. They are hitters, like no joke. Highly recommended trimmer. I'm so excited for the second version to come out. I can't wait to get my hands on these new clippers. I'm the clipper junkie in my barber shop, and I pretty much don't even have any space left over for clippers to go on my station. But you know what? Better one habit than another, right? I love clippers, and I will continue collecting them, and I will be giving you guys reviews coming up, so be looking forward for that. And I got a lot more content coming your way. Big stuff coming to YouTube, big stuff coming to my life, and it's about time to start showing the world all the blessings that God has provided to me. Alright guys, when doing the mustache, just do it to the client's desire, whatever they ask, and try to make it even as possible as well. As you can see, I recorded this haircut on a very busy day. It was a Friday, one of our busiest days. It's one of my loyal clients. He wanted to get his haircut, so I said, hey, let's record, and he was all for it. We did it, and we were able to get you guys this video and this haircut. Hopefully it helped you guys out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you get something out of it in this process of becoming a barber, in this process of just becoming a better man. And tap his eyebrows, tap it with the razor, tilt it, 45-degree angle, stretch the skin, and bam, completed. Alright guys, so here's the before. This is how my man came in. Very hard haircut to do because of his hair texture, but with patience and confidence, this is the after. Tell me what you guys think about the haircut in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, show your boy some love. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the haircut. It's your boy Yanni, signing out.